Hello everyone, this is an introductory video of SAP Analytics Cloud, so called SAC. My name is Bilal Ali and I am an SAC consultant. So in this video, I will give you an overview of SAC, the basic concept of SAP Analytics Cloud. I will be talking about what is SAC, what is SAP Analytics Cloud, and the overview of SAC, like the main capabilities, what this product can do, and the most important question, who is this course for, like who can learn this product. So most of the people have question in their mind, I'm a non-technical person, I don't know the analytics, so can I learn this? So I will be covering each and everything in this video, and in the end I will give you a demo scenario where I will show you how you can do the things into the system, how you can access, how you can navigate to the files, how you can create a story. So first of all, who is this course for? So this course is for anyone, like seriously anyone who wanted to explore cloud technologies, any consultant, any analyst. If you are interested in learning new things, then this course is for you, as there's no prerequisite for this course. And secondly, what is SAC? So it is a software as a service from SAP in SAP Cloud platform. So I have written here SAP Analytics Cloud, which is a cloud-based analyst platform offered by SAP. So it allows you to develop stories, perform BI, planning, and analytics into the cloud. So the main capability of this SAC is make end-to-end decision with all analytics capabilities in one place. And the next thing is that there's four main things in SAC. So the four main thing is business intelligence, planning, predictive, analytics, stories. So we will be covering business intelligence. So in the business intelligence, there's a data wrangling, story creation, widgets, data connectivity, how you create a models, hierarchies, conditions, formatting. So we will be covering all the things in this video related to business intelligence. So there's a four step for creating stories. Like I will show you into the system, but this is a theoretical part. Like I have only created few slides just to show you the theory. So first step is you import the data, and the second step is you transform the data. Like you have some blank values, you have something to change, so you transform the data, you prepare the data, and then you explore the data. The third step is you explore the data. So when you explore, you see there's no error, everything is valid. And the last step is you build the story. So let's jump into the system. So this is how SAP Analytics Cloud Home look like, and I will show you into the system in a while. So let's just jump into the screen. So here's my access. So this is the link, like you have the Facebook link. I'm gonna copy it and paste it into a new tab, and this is my username. I'm also gonna copy this username and paste it here. So Control V, sorry I didn't copy it, so Control C and Control V, and let me just enter the password. So like the Facebook we access, we have username, password. Likewise, we access into the SAP system, SAP Analytics Cloud system. So it is loading, and till then I will show you the website from where we will get the data sets. So there's a website called Giggle from where we will be getting our data. Like here, certain data sets, and I'm going to just click the data set, and it's also loading, and I hope my home window is opened here. So this is how your SSE dashboards look like the main screen. You can also customize it. You can customize it from here. You can go to the home screen and you can add anything you want. You want it to hide the recent stories, you want to hide analytics, you want to hide anything you want to add. Like, I'm just gonna click OK. So here's an SAP logo. If you want, you can add your own logo here just by clicking in home screen, and here's a logo, SAP default logo. So you can click on custom, you can upload your logo. I don't have a logo right now, so I'll be saying none or SAP default. So this is how when you log in your SAC look likes, and on the left you will click on expand navigation bar. So this is all the things, like you have your files, you have your apps. In the apps you have story, analytics application. You can create your data set here, you can create your models here. So you can do everything in your navigation bar. So first of all, we will be getting our data set, and let's just take any data set. So let me just give me a couple of minutes, like how which data set we should pick. And any data set I'm picking for the tutorial, like I have to, first of all I have to log in Google, sign in, and sign in with the Google, because I had an account linked to the Google. So it's loading because my internet connection is a little slow. So here am I. So data set, and there are tons of, like there's tons of data sets, and the trending data sets are okay. Just pick up Airbnb list real estate agents. So I'm gonna download this data set and then extract it. So just go to the downloads, and it's loading. Till now I'm just navigating to the my files tab. So in the files, if you want to work properly, you have to create folders. Like you have to have your folder. From here you can click plus, sorry, you can create this icon, and you can create plus new folder. So in the new folder you can have your name, like demo SAC, and the description is always optional. So in this I will set my all the data, from story to creating data set to the story, my show finder, and I'm gonna extract it, open. So this is my data set. So the question is how we upload data set. So I will be covering in details what is modular, what is data set in the another videos. So modular is what, data set is what, but for now I'm just gonna giving you a overview of the things, how this product is look and how it works. So we have from data source, from Excel CSV. So I will be covering these topics into the another video. So select the data source file like we already had downloaded. So here's a file. I will be opening it and importing it into SAC dataset. So it's saying use first row as a column header. I will be saying yes, tick on it and import. It's gonna take couple of minutes. Like we have created a folder demo SAC and we will be doing a name like dataset for listing. So description is always optional. You can add it or you cannot. So my data set is getting ready and we will be seeing, I will be also seeing first time like what is this data all about. So it's preparing data set, and in a while, like it only takes hardly 1 minute or 2 minutes and it shows you. So my data set is in front of me, and yeah, there's a important thing in SAC that's coming here. Like, got it? Measures and dimensions. So this is very important thing in SAC, measures and dimensions. So but for now I will be saying like measure is we have numbers in it, and dimension is we also have numbers in it, but don't add the we don't add these values. So I will be talking about these other things next time because the video will be too long. And now I'm seeing my data transform. Like I will do anything here, I will see here details. I will be saying what is my measure, what is my dimension. So I will be hiring these two. And so this is my data set that we had downloaded from Airbnb listing. Here's an ID, name, id, host name, neighbors, and latitude, longitude. So we also have an option here, like we combine it and we create a geomap, like coordinates like geomap. So for now I'm just giving you an overview, so that's why I'm not diving deep into one thing. So this is my data set. I will be saving it, save, and we will take our data set and transform it into a story. So my data set save, and I will click on more and go to stories. Then here we have three types of stories. So responsive, canvas, grid, and this option is smart discovery. It is the smart insight. This is other option. And we have templates like presentation, responsive, report, dashboards. So for the sake of this video, I'm clicking on canvas. So we have to optimize design experience, classic experience. Like in optimize you have less options, in classic you have free hands-on, like you can do everything from your own. Like I always go with classic design experience. So I will be clicking on create, and now this is the fun part. I will connect my data set to my story. It's loading. First of all, I will link my data set and then save my story so I can work later on in this story. So always have valuable name that you can remember. So here I will add data, and so I can directly add data here, like data upload from a file, but it will be only for this story. And this is a live connectivity from data source, and this is data from existing data set or model. Like we already had created data set. So I will go here and click on it. It will load my files. So I will navigate to my files which I wanted to add here. So this was my folder demo SAC. This was my data set, and my data set is here. So we have two options here. We have story and data. So it will move to the data, like it will show me my data. You have your measures, you have your, so this is a bad thing, like I didn't did my wrangling in data. What is wrangling? Like we do things, we correct our measures, we correct our dimensions, so that's another part. But for now we are just seeing how the system works. So first of all, I will click on show dimensions and show all. So it's showing me all my dimensions, and there's are my measures. So these are two tabs: story tab, data set. You can create your data here, you can create your story here also, and you can create your story here. So I'll be switching to the story again, and first I will save my story. So control S, command S, sorry, keep this model. So it it will be saved like demo story SAC. This was my folder. Always keep in your mind, like you save your files where you can easily access. Okay, so my story is saved. So for creating charts, it's so easy, like you click on insert here, like this is the chart button. I clicked here. Let me just zoom a little bit back. Okay, so this is all types of chart: comparison, trending. In comparison you also have many other charts: waterfall chart, and in indicator, in you have KPIs. Like first of all, I'll go with the KPI, and let me just make it small. Okay, in the KPI you always have measures like how many sales you had, how many customers you have, so you can easily see them. I'm gonna add measure like, okay, so I'll go with the number of reviews, like number of reviews I have for my rental estate. So I have two 5262390 number of reviews. I can easily edit this. Double click on it and remove number of reviews and add total, sorry, total reviews for rental. Okay, so now click it back. So these are my number of reviews. So this is my story building, like you can edit anything here. So I will again insert another thing, insert to a chart, and now this time we'll go with the comparison chart, like which person has given me which review. So click here and add measure, what type of measure I want, like number of reviews, and in the dimension, like I don't know about this data, so we will be seeing like which measure we can add, which dimension we can add. We have to have a plan for this, like for this I have to do this, for this I have to do this. So in dimension, just click on dimensions, and in dimension I will be going with the name. So number of reviews by name, like who had giving me what review, the customer names and the reviews by the customers. Like in my this guest house I have let me just okay, in my this guest house I have this number of reviews. So let me just go with the top 5 reviews. So I will click on three dots here, and in the rank I'll go with dimensions and go top 5. So now I will see what are my top 5 houses that had most of the reviews. So here top 5 my house. So guest house in Austin, one bed. So my one bed houses have good reviews. So here we have added view and here only view mode. So in the view mode you can only view the story. So let me just click my view mode. So this is my view mode. So in the view mode you can only view, you cannot add it, you cannot do anything, you cannot add any chart, you cannot do anything here. So I'll go back to edit mode, and here I will go with table. For this time I will go with the table. So you can easily drag and drop. In canvas you have big space, you can add anywhere anything. So this is my table, and let me just drag it at, so it's overlapping right now, but we have to fix it. just just make it a little small from the top, and yeah, that's it. And we will drag it from here. So in the table it's like an excel sheet. So here we will have rows and columns. In columns we usually add dimensions, sorry, in columns we usually add measures, and in rows we add dimensions. Like I will add the names. Like here we have top fives, and here I will add all the data, all the names and room type. So here I have apart in Austin bed dot two bed one bath. Like it's the description of my house: one bedroom, two bedroom, one bathroom. So it is all about this. So we can drag and make it big also, like this, and it is now big. So this is all about the story things, and we in this video we had covered like how we create a story, how we input the data, what is this course, like what is this product, not this course but what is this product. This product is all about business intelligence and predictive scenarios. Like we had only covered a few things here, but it is a lot to cover. But for now sake of this video I'm just covering a small topics, and for the long topics I will create another short videos, like what is dimension, what is measures, and what are types of charts, and what is table in it, and what is input control. I will show you, like I can show you from now. Input control, like input control your all story based on measures and dimension, like how you filter your data. So I'll go with the measure, and in the measure what kind of measures we have. Okay, we go with the price. So set the price range. So I'll be like, yeah, I will be like between, or let me just add. Okay, it will show me then error. Okay, 10. I'll go with a greater than 10. So we have conditions here, and it's showing me like greater than $10 houses. So this is my input control, and I will add as many things as here. Like I will go with the $3,000. I will add 3,000. My values will be changed, like here and also here. Like we have now, those houses were less prices and these are high prices. So in the high prices we have top 5 these, and in the low prices, like I will go with the 10, and in the low price I have number of reviews more. So let's go to the view mode again to see our story. So this is our view mode. So this is all your story look like, and I hope this might be helpful for you to getting started with SAC. Like like you can go with a course, you can learn it from anywhere. You can go with to SAP Learning Hub, and download you can download the books and you can read it. You can do anything and you can become a SAC consultant. So it's so easy to learn SAC, and I hope you like it, and please share it with your friends to know, to also know them that this is a very easy product to use and to do things with. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it and enjoy it. Thank you.